So guys, today I'm sharing this easy, simple hummus recipe with you guys. Hopefully you guys gonna like it, and do try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. So let's get straight into the video. These are the main ingredients what we are going to use to make our perfectly delicious hummus. So here I have the juicer blender. I'm gonna take the chickpeas, Grabnzo beans. Of course, they should be boiled or canned. We're gonna add chickpeas. Add 2 cloves of garlic. So here we have to add 3 spoons of tahini sauce, the sesame paste in there. Add half spoon of table salt, or use the Himalayan pink salt. Squeeze a lemon in there. Since it's a 15 ounce of chickpeas, so this is the recipe for the 15 ounce of chickpeas hummus. So it's beautifully squeezed. Add a little bit of red chili powder if you guys like a little bit hot. Otherwise you can skip the red chilies. Now add at least 4 spoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add half cup of water. Cover it with the lid on top. And let's blend this guy. So here you go, this part has been done. Let's just dish this out. It's a little bit saucy. You have to keep it this way. It dries out, it gets thickened by itself very quickly. So we're gonna dish this out. Dress up with some tiny bit of olive oil. So guys, as you saw, this is so beautifully easily done. You guys should try this easy, simple recipe of the hummus. It can be a great dipping sauce, or it can be a great side dish with your bread or with your tortilla chips with that. So here I'm trying it with some bread. Whoa. Wow. This is so smooth. So just a suggestion, if you guys like a little bit thick, you can reduce the water amount. Since it's a dipping side, I like it a little bit thin, like a paste kind of thing, so it tastes much better. Wonderful. So this is the bread. How beautifully it's done. Yum. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and do try this recipe and let me know your thoughts. I'll see you tomorrow with another video, and bye for now.